Alright, I want to show you how you can do your InShot video. Okay, a video flyer. We're using an InShot app now. Okay, all you just have to do is go to your InShot app. Alright, let's start from scratch. You go to video, go to new, and you select photo. You can do a collection of photo and video. Alright, let's say I want to do a program, and this is my program. I involve engineer PAG and Kosidamzi, so I put myself, Kosidamzi, engineer PAG. I put some testimonies to spice it up. Alright, selected some pictures and some pictures here. I go to next. You can see I can always duplicate this picture. I click hold it. Okay, then I click on duplicate. This is duplicate here. I can click on it and I click on duplicate. You can see duplicate. If I do for this too, it will also duplicate. Okay, it will also duplicate. So let's get started. This is just basically how it works. I can always reshape or crop the pictures or videos, okay, to my taste. I can crop it this way. On it, you can see you have to tap on the picture first or video before you can go to canvas and balance it to your taste. Okay, let's go to the music now. I want to add, you can always add a music, background music. You can always download music, all right, from your Google. All right, this is one of the instrumentals I downloaded. You can always add yours. You can always download yours on Google. All right, so I'm gonna reset it now. All right, you can hear the background noise. This will be my background noise. I can always click on it. All right, I can always click on the background noise and edit it and reduce the volume or increase the volume. All right, I can do a fade in, I can do a fade out. All right, and yeah, I can always duplicate the background noise, and I can always split it too. All right, so next thing now is for me to do a record of my voice so I can use it for the program. So this is record here. All I just have to do is click on it and I record my voice talking about the program. Okay, alright, so you can see I've made my own audio. Okay, I've made my own audio, so let's play it and see. Have you ever thought of having a side business that won't affect your current job? Let's show you practical ways on how you can make money from the telecom sector and increase your net worth as a telecom entrepreneur. It's going to be an awesome moment with Kusi Domzi, a 7-figure earner in the telecom industry. Engineer PAG, a man that has touched and raised millionaires through this great business platform, and my humble self, JKC, your host and a beneficiary of this proven system. See you later. Alright, so you can see this is just how we do it. You can also adjust your audios, your background audios. Okay, how do I mean? Have you can also adjust it. Domzi, a 7-figure earner in the telecom industry, a man that has taught and so you lower your background music so it doesn't get louder than your voice, so people can get what you are advertising. So all I just have to do now is have you ever thought of having a side business that won't affect your look for pictures that will fit in. Okay, I can start with listing up. I can drag it. I drag it down here, listing up, and I can also come with this and drag it. You just have to be creative in doing your flyer, video flyer.
Have you ever thought of having a side business
People
that
can
will
like
affect
listen
your
up
current job?
to like draw their attention.
That will affect your current job.
Then I draw this.
Have you ever thought of having a side business that will affect your current job? Let's show you practical ways on.
You can see. So let's show you practical ways. I can also come here and adjust it. Okay, adjust it.
Have you ever thought of having a side business that will affect your current job? Let's show you practical ways on how you can make money from the telecom sector and increase your net worth as a telecom entrepreneur. It's going to be an awesome moment with.
All right. So I can still be adding some things. I can add some things like this. All right.
Show you practical ways on how you can make money. Have you ever thought of having a side business that will affect your current job?
Are you seeing
Let's
it?
show you
So
practical ways on how you can make money from the telecom.
So when you get to,
on how you can make money from the telecom sector and increase your net.
you can always decrease this, or I decrease this. That's how many seconds is going to display. Or I decrease this and I increase this a bit.
Let's show you practical ways on how you can make money from the telecom sector and
I can only hold this and drag it back down here, and I come back here and I
ways
play
on how
this.
you can make money from the telecom sector and increase your net worth as a telecom entrepreneur. It's going to be an.
Are you getting it? So I can, that place now, I can always come and pick one of those pictures. You can always get your pictures from Google. You can always search for any type of picture you want. You get it on Google. Okay, I can just put this here so that I can use it to pass
It's going
time.
to be an awesome moment with Kosi.
You can see. So once it's Kosi, I can just adjust the time.
An awesome moment with Kosi, a 7-figure.
Alright, I just adjust it a little bit.
A 7-figure. A 7-figure earner in the telecom industry. Engineer PAG.
Alright, you can see Engineer PAG. I can always hold this, then I drag it down here. Engineer PAG. And I will just, since myself is in the last, I can just drag this down to the last and put this here, put Engineer PAG here, put the testimonies and
a man that has taught and raised millions through this great business platform.
Okay, I can always decrease this. I can always decrease this too.
Yourself, your host, and a benefit.
You can see I can always decrease this in time, decrease this too in time, decrease this, so you can meet up with the time. Alright, you just be creative in what you're doing. Alright, I'm making sure it aligns with my audio. Okay, with the audio I am advertising, making sure it aligns. Alright, for this I can always drag this down here to where Kosi is.
Kosi, a 7-figure earner in the telecom industry.
Alright, you heard that, in the telecom industry.
7-figure earner in the telecom industry.
You can see.
A 7-figure earner in the telecom industry. Engineer PAG.
Okay, in the telecom industry, and I drag it to make sure it fits in with the time.
Figure earner in the telecom industry. Engineer PAG. A man that has taught and raised millions through this great business platform.
Okay, you can see I'll have to decrease this too, so it can fit in with the time. Okay, the time of my audio. All right,
raise millions through this great business platform and
you can see. All right, so I just have to decrease the audios and the picture, how long they will appear. I just have to decrease the time of how long they will appear. You can see this is less than 1 second, 0.5 seconds. All right, let's see if it has fitting.
a man that has taught and raised millions through this great business platform and my humble self.
You can see it has fitting. So, and my humble self, I can just come here, drag, and drop it here.
My humble self, JKC, your host and a beneficiary of this proven system. See you there.
Alright, I think we have these two. I'm using it. Let's play it from the start.
Have you ever thought of having a side business that will affect your current job?
Oh, we can still adjust this on canvas. Okay. Yeah.
Let's show you practical ways on how you can make money from the telecom sector and increase your net worth as a telecom entrepreneur. It's going to be an awesome moment with Kosi Domzi, a seven-figure earner in the telecom industry, engineer BAG, a man that has taught and raised millions through this great business platform, and my humble self, JKC, your host and a beneficiary of this proven system. See you there. My humble self, JKC, your host and a beneficiary of this proven system. See you there.
Alright, you can see we are done with it. I can always decrease this, chipping this too, and chipping this too. I just have to do is decrease the time of how long it will appear. I decrease the time of these two. And decrease these two. So let's see how it works.
And my humble self, JKC, your host and a beneficiary of this proven system. See you there.
Alright, we want to do it. Let my total video flyer be 30 seconds. You can see this is 30 seconds, 30.7 seconds. So I can easily do this, and it can easily fit in into my status. So you can see this is just how we do it.
Have you ever thought of having a side business that won't affect your current job? Let's show you practical ways on how you can make money from the telecom sector and increase your net worth as a telecom entrepreneur. It's going to be an awesome moment with Kosi Domzi, a seven-figure earner in the telecom industry, engineer BAG, a man that has taught and raised millions through this great business platform, and my humble self, JKC, your host and a beneficiary of this proven system. See you there.
Alright, you can see, so that's just how we do it. You can always add effects here. So this is just it here. You can see that all we just have to do is tap here, and we can always add effects like this. Okay, you can always add effect like this. Now let's see the effects.
Have you ever thought of having a side business that will...
You can see the effects there. So you can decrease the time. How?
Have you ever thought of having a side business that will...
Are you seeing it? So you can always add up something like this or something like this.
Have you ever thought of having a side business that won't affect your current job? Let's show you practical ways on how you can make money from the telecom sector and increase your net worth as a telecom.
So you can always add effects like this. This is also an effect.
Some moment with Kusidomzi is
This is also an effect, so you can always add effects how you want. This is also an effect.
with Kusidomzi, a 7-figure end.
So you can always add effects like this. So all you just have to do is save. Then you choose the quality of your video. You choose the quality of your video and save. Alright, we've saved it. You can see.
Have you ever thought of having a side business that won't affect your current job? Let's show you practical ways on how you can make money
So
from
we
the
successfully created a video flyer.